So I got a cool little surprise for you guys. We were out there exploring on our way out to Colorado, and we stopped at a place I've seen more than once. And the area is called Factory Butte, in particular Swing Arm City. And if you've seen it, you would know what I'm talking about. It's this dark gray hillish with beautiful buttes and plateaus, and it's just such a unique area. It almost looks like you're on Mars. So we decided to stop the night and camp, and I'm glad we did, because before we head out the next day, we decided to jump in the Jeep and go explore the area, and it is just unique. The dark gray sand, which is probably a mixture of coal, sandstone, and maybe a little clay, and the whole area is just devoid of any kind of vegetation, and it has these beautiful sharp ridges everywhere. The flat top hills in the background are orange and brown sandstone, which is like what Factory Butte is prominently known for. Well, you should just get out there and stop there, especially if you're on your way to Moab or way home. It's a worthwhile stop. Maybe camp the night. Honestly, you could probably explore this whole area in about an hour or two. So you don't have to like plan a trip just to go there. Just stop and take in this most unique and probably more beautiful places I've ever been. We got a lot of road ahead of us to get to Colorado, so we're gonna get moving. I do hope to see you on the trail soon. Be safe.